Step-by-step lower case replacement for the MacBook Pro 13-inch M2. Gather precision tools, an ESD strap, and work on a soft grounded mat. Power off, unplug all cables, and discharge any static before opening. Remove the 6 pentalobe screws at the lower case corners and set them aside. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the lower case, lifting from the hinge edge. Before further work, disconnect the battery connector to prevent shorts and damage. Carefully release adhesive clips and lift the lower case away from the chassis evenly. Inspect the replacement lower case and transfer any rubber feet or stickers as needed. Align the new lower case with the hinge and press evenly until all clips click. Reconnect the battery, power on, and verify keyboard, trackpad, and ports function normally. Reinstall all pentalobe screws to even torque, wipe surfaces, and confirm a flush fit. Follow on-screen captions and callouts for details. Subscribe for more repair guides.